pretty well picked it up. She's an old Allen, but I wouldn't be surprised it would be a handy thing, but that might start right up. So you put it in gear and you got forward and reverse in it. Those batteries probably go right in there. I can take them a check out. I bet they're 5 1/3. Right straight to ground loop. That's hooked right up directly. Oh, let's see, yep, the ground goes to back, yeah. In case some stupid thing, something we didn't see.
Yeah, be ready to press the clutch in case he starts walking away.
Yeah, be prepared just like you're gonna fly.
Yeah, take the coffee can off.
No, that's what they want.
I know, but then we have to find it out.
That's what he wants.
That's the point.
That's the whole point of doing this.
Camera lady ready.
All right.
Hopefully.
All right, here we go.
Right there. Maybe I ought to get some meat, but just maybe a little bit too.
There's too much in it?
Well, we're definitely getting fuel.
Yeah, getting the fuel.
So it's just a question of, well, let him turn it and you spray it into filter.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna take much to get going.
The coffee can?
No.
I'll take that air filter off right directly there too.
You get the windshield squirter food? Did you get the windshield squirter?
I do get too much.
Because the
I'm
exhaust.
afraid it might,
Blow off into
it's
the
smoking
woods
too
and then you
much.
have to go find it.
It's definitely,
Filter, you
yeah,
probably eats up most of it.
yeah.
Yeah, take the can off too. Yeah.
You said it sounded good and it's smoking, so there's something going on.
Yeah, it's doing something.
Cut back the throttle on it. Put the throttle right down to
Almost
right out.
Almost at the bottom?
Yeah, because it's getting fuel.
Okay. So all the way bottom and
Yep.
just tiny bit up? Or?
Yeah, very little.
Okay.
Because it's definitely getting fuel.
Try it again?
Yep.
I almost think I'd almost rather see if we want to go down and get a can of ether down to one of the filling stations or something.
All right.
Because just a light whiff of that would it would fire on that quick.
Don't leave the rag in there, it'll eat that.
Suck it up through.
It'll eat anything you put in there.
I'll get another one.
Regrade the driveway a little
Did you
bit.
get a gallon of antifreeze there for the Bulldozer too? If there's any antifreeze around we can put in it, it'd be good, because you never know, there may not be any in it, water or anything. The only thing is expansion contraction over a year or two, it could have leaked right around the hose. So we don't have any antifreeze for the Bulldozer then.
Okay.
Because what happens is once this thing starts, it don't take but a short time for it to heat up. I mean, say anything, it's better than nothing in it.
Yeah, well, full strength is good. You get 2 gallons out of it.
But that'd be fine, just anything. Yeah, it'd be good if we just run it for a minute. I usually use whatever I had to.
I used to tell Chip to buy it full strength because it's the same price as 50/50. You
Yeah.
get twice as much.
The thirsty one. Yeah. That's perfect. Got antifreeze, so you're golden. This thing will take right off.
Here we go.
Yep.
There it went. Keith's getting out of here. It sounds good, doesn't it?
bottom of it. It looked just like a peel, orange peels.
Oh,
And,
gee. Just like rusted out totally, and then.
Well, no, it was a magnesium oil pan, and we actually TIG welded it. And but the fortunate thing is, because the water went down through the engine, it rotted off the injectors in the cylinders. But because the water was able to go down through the engine and drop onto the ground, it didn't raise over the bearings. So we we welded up the oil pan, got a new head gasket, cleaned the head, and reset the valves and everything. That son of a gun run like a clock, and I ran it for 3 years, and I sold it. It's still running fast, I know. Everybody said it was junk, but it wasn't.